Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me, and today we are going to take some of our handy dandy lanterns that we have lying around, and we're going to spray paint them a Christmas red. So we're going to make spray painted Christmas red lanterns, and we're just gonna renew your lanterns, give them a new meaning, a new feeling, all in the spirit of what's coming up, the holidays, Christmas, whatever you're celebrating. So together we'll see how it goes. The inspiration that I got from it was from IKEA. They're like this red that I thought was so nice and would contrast really well against like white snow that you might have either indoors as fake, or if you just want them outside, just a nice accent color within your space. Without further ado, let's get into it. First thing you need to do is to remove all the glass panes that are in the lanterns to give a nice even coat of paint. While removing the glass panes, do be extra careful as the sides are fairly sharp. Ask for assistance if needed. And make sure to repeat the process for the same number of lanterns that you have. Next, I washed the lanterns just to make sure to sanitize them and clean any of the dirt and dust that might have been on them before painting them. Once the water was dried on the lanterns, I made sure to bring it into a closed off area that was fully ventilated and covered them with a generously amount of paint on both of them, and waited about an hour to 2 hours before applying a second coat, and then let them dry for 24 hours. During the time that the paint was drying, I took the glass panes that were in the lanterns and I gave them a clean as well. They had some like dirt and rust on them, so I just made sure to clean them thoroughly before putting them back into the lanterns. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the transition between those kind of coral colors to a more of a Christmas red. Just renewed my lanterns. I believe it works well for the space that I've done here. It just makes it more magical, just with that deep red color on it. So if you did like the video, don't forget to give that thumbs up button a press. And if you like this type of content where we do little decor ideas for your spaces and designs for spaces, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video that comes out every Tuesday. And with that, concluding our video for today, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!